I have a Roku soundbar here. I'm going to show you two ways where you can factory reset. Okay, the first way is we're going to go through the settings, and the second way is we can use a reset button on the actual soundbar. So first way is going to settings. Go ahead and click on your home button, go to the home screen here, and you want to go down to settings, move over to the right. Now you want to go all the way down to system, right there, and now go ahead and move over to the right. And then we're going to go all the way down to advanced system settings, right there. Let's go to move over to the right, factory reset, move over to the right one more time, and then from here you'll get a 4-digit code. Mine is 9884, so you simply put in the 4-digit code. Once you put that in there, go to OK and click on OK, and it's going to perform a factory reset. Now the second way to factory reset is there's a reset button on the soundbar itself. It says reset right here. Now if you just press it really quickly and let go, it's only going to restart it. If you want to factory reset it, what you have to do is press and hold. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold and wait till I see a Roku logo on the TV. We'll do it together. Reset button right here. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Don't let go. I'm still holding. Waiting for a Roku logo to appear on the TV. Still holding here. Okay, go ahead and let go. And now it is performing the factory reset. Give this 1 second here. And voila. And that whole factory reset took about 1 minute. It's pretty quick. Any questions, issues, comment below. Good luck.